Hey, let me show you screen brightness comparison between Samsung Galaxy Watch FE and Apple Watch SE2. So first of all, I want to show you that on the both devices, I just set the highest possible brightness. So first, let's do this on the Watch Watch SE. And here we get the display and the brightness. And as you can see, it's set for the maximum brightness. And it actually looks the same for the Watch FE. There we go. The brightness is also set for the 100%. So let's move, for example, into the apps screen where we can get the black background on the both devices. And in my opinion, this one looks better. The colors are more vivid. And the screen is also a little bit brighter than on the Apple Watch SE2. So that's how it also looks with the different angle. Yeah, and this is it, the quick video for you. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.